Hello, everyone. Welcome to day 12 of English Boost. Today, we're exploring the beauty of nature. Learning how to describe nature in English will not only expand your vocabulary but also allow you to express appreciation for the world around us. Let's dive into 10 new words related to nature. Vocabulary and practice. 1. Forest. Forest means a large area covered with trees. Example: we walked through the forest and enjoyed the fresh air. Now you try. Forest. Great job. 2. Mountain. Mountain means a large natural elevation of the Earth's surface. Example: they climbed the mountain during their vacation. Now you try. Mountain. Excellent. 3. River. River means a large natural stream of water flowing into the sea. Example: the children played near the river all afternoon. Now you try. River. Wonderful. 4. Ocean. Ocean means a vast body of salt water that covers much of the earth. Example: the ocean waves were calming to watch. Now you try. Ocean. Great work. 5. Flower. Flower means the colorful and fragrant part of a plant. Example: she picked a beautiful flower from the garden. Now you try. Flower. Well done. 6. Animal. Animal means a living creature other than humans and plants. Example: many animals live in the forest. Now you try. Animal. Excellent. 7. Sky. Sky means the space above the earth where clouds and the sun are seen. Example: the sky was filled with stars at night. Now you try. Sky. Fantastic. 8. Rain. Rain means water falling from clouds in the sky. Example: the rain helped the flowers grow. Now you try. Rain. Wonderful. 9. Sunshine. Sunshine means the light and warmth of the sun. Example: the sunshine made the day perfect for a picnic. Now you try. Sunshine. Great job. 10. Desert. Desert means a dry, sandy area with little rainfall. Example: the desert was hot and vast. Now you try. Desert. Excellent. Fantastic work. Now let's use all these words in a short paragraph. Listen closely. Paragraph section. On their weekend adventure, Sarah and her friends explored the forest near a towering mountain. They stopped by a river to watch animals drinking water under the bright sky. As the rain began to fall, they took shelter under a tree and admired the flowers around them. Once the rain cleared, the sunshine lit up their path, and they decided to visit a nearby desert to see its unique beauty. Sarah loved being surrounded by nature, from the green trees to the blue ocean she saw in the distance. Awesome job! Let's expand that paragraph into a short essay. This will help you see how these words can fit naturally into longer writing. Short essay section. Nature has always been a source of wonder for Sarah and her friends. During their recent adventure, they visited a forest filled with tall trees and colorful flowers. As they climbed a nearby mountain, they stopped to admire the river flowing gently below. The sky was clear, but soon the rain began to fall, making the surroundings even more refreshing. After the rain stopped, the sunshine brought warmth and energy to the day. They even ventured into a desert to experience its dry, sandy beauty. Throughout the journey, Sarah felt connected to nature and enjoyed the peaceful moments with her friends. You're doing amazing! Now, let's take it further with a longer essay. This will deepen your understanding of how to use these words in different contexts. Long essay section. Nature offers endless beauty and inspiration, and Sarah and her friends discovered this on their latest trip. Their journey began in a lush forest, where the sound of birds and the sight of vibrant flowers created a calming atmosphere. They decided to hike up a nearby mountain, enjoying the cool breeze and the stunning view of the river winding through the landscape below. Along the way, they observed various animals, from playful squirrels to deer grazing by the water. The weather changed unexpectedly and rain began to fall. Taking shelter under a tree, they marveled at how the rain brought out the rich colors of the plants and flowers around them. Once the rain stopped, the sunshine broke through the clouds, casting a golden glow over everything. Feeling energized, they continued their adventure to a desert nearby. The vast, sandy area contrasted sharply with the greenery they had seen earlier, yet it held its own unique charm. By the end of the day, Sarah and her friends felt grateful for the opportunity to experience such diverse parts of nature. From the forest and mountains to the river, ocean, and desert, each element of nature left a lasting impression on them. This trip reminded Sarah of the importance of protecting the environment and cherishing the natural beauty that surrounds us. Well done, everyone! Today, you've mastered 10 new words about nature, practiced them in a paragraph, and explored how to use them in both a short and a long essay. It's been an inspiring day 12 of our English Boost journey. Keep practicing these words and applying them in your daily conversations. Tomorrow, we'll dive into another exciting topic, so stay tuned and keep boosting your English one word at a time. See you then!